Hey friends, and welcome to the Patreon tutorial for June 2025. This month I gave you a choice between two projects. One was a magnolia flower with a little ladybug, and the other was a very bright and sunny and sunsetty mountain landscape. I voted for the last one, the mountain landscape. So let's do it! For this painting I'll be using my usual Bao cold pressed watercolor paper, and the paint set I'm using is from Daler Rowney. It's the Aquafine travel set. It's quite affordable, so easy for beginners, and I really like the colors. So as usual for a landscape, I start by wetting the whole of my paper with clean water. We want an even sheen of water, we don't want big puddles, we want just a little bit of water everywhere. And I just go straight in with a little bit of soft pink.